China is India's largest trading partner. A report from 2014 that says that India exports $16.4 billion of goods, which is approximately 4% of Indian exports, and imports $58.4 billion of goods, which is approximately 13% of Indian imports from China. In one of the reports in 2017, which says that India's dependency on China's inputs is more than $72 billion. There are many things that we import from China, but these are top 5 out of them. Electrical equipments, machineries, organic chemical, plastic, iron and steel. Pharma dependency. India depends on Chinese pharma companies for API, also known as bulk drug, is 90%. Dependency on China for solar panel. We are importing 89% of our domestic requirements for solar panel from China alone. Electronic goods dependency on China. India imports more than 65% of its current demand for electronic products, and most of their imports are from China. China has 16 mobile companies. 16. You might have heard some of the names like Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, Lenovo, OnePlus, Huawei, and so many more. On Jan 5th, 2020, there was an article uploaded on the internet saying that USA is currently thinking to put Xiaomi on the ban list. At first, Huawei was only on this list. Later, there was a news that Xiaomi also would be on this list. These are the top 9 countries with whom we import and export the most, where you can see China holds the first place with exports 16.34 and imports 86.06, and the total trade between India and China is 84.4%. You might have heard the name of TikTok. If not TikTok, Musical.ly. Musical.ly and TikTok were two different apps at first. Musical.ly's first prototype was released in 2014, whereas TikTok was launched in 2016. TikTok and Musical.ly merged in August 2018. TikTok is the most trending app in India. If you see this list which says top 10 countries with largest TikTok database, India holds the first place. In 2018, Indonesia became the first country to ban TikTok. In 2019, in India, there was a PIL filed in Madras High Court to ban TikTok, but later it was uplifted on April 24th. Recently, in April 3rd, 2020, US Army put a ban on TikTok. Steve Huffman, the co-founder and the CEO of the online firm Reddit, called TikTok as a fundamental parasitic. He even told TikTok is a spyware. There is a lawsuit that claims that TikTok app illegally transfers users' data from users' country to China. Can TikTok track you? Can TikTok see your location? The simple answer to your question is yes. It can track your location. Zoom. Zoom is a video conferencing app which was launched in 2011. Countries like Germany, Taiwan and Singapore have already banned the Zoom app. The reason behind the banning of Zoom app in Germany was because of the privacy concern growth. Can we ban Chinese products? Can we boycott Chinese products? The answer is no. We can't ban Chinese products. If we ban all the Chinese products, they are going to ban our exports. Who will be more affected by it? We are the ones who are going to be more affected by it. But what if we find an alternative for all the products that we buy from China? We can't ban China products, but we can stop buying China products. The country cannot ban China products, but we can stop using China products. Of goods, which is approximately 13% of Indian exports from China. A report from 2014 which says that India exports 16%. Report from 2014 which says that India exports $16.4 billion of.
Yes.
ಡೋರ್ ಸರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ಸೋರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು dependency on China for solar panel. We are importing dependency on China for solar panel. 65% of its current demand on for electronic products from China alone, mummy. Sorry. Plastics, machinery, sorry. There are many things that we buy from China, but these are top 5 out of them. Electrical equipments, machineries, organic chemicals, plastic, iron and steel. Plastics, machinery, sorry. There are many things that we buy from China, but these are top 5 out of them. Electrical equipments, machineries, organic chemicals, plastic, iron and steel. China exports